Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating each Microsoft account so you avoid sign-in blocks. Use two-step verification if required. Install the current OneDrive client and sign in with your main account to establish the baseline sync. Once done, decide whether to create a separate Windows user for full isolation or plan to mount additional accounts into distinct folders. Both approaches prevent folder collisions and make permissions predictable, which reduces accidental file overwrites or sync loops. Next, add the additional account from OneDrive settings or by signing in under a different Windows user. This is how you separate token stores and avoid conflicts. If you use the same Windows user, create virtual drives or mount points with unique folder names to host each account sync folder. Once added, set selective sync so only needed folders download. This saves space and reduces duplicate files. Make sure each local folder path is unique, because identical paths cause sync loops and data loss risk. Finish by purposely creating a small test file in each synced folder and confirming it appears online and on other devices. This proves both upload and download work. Once done, review file versions and timestamps to ensure no accidental duplicates. If sync shows errors, unlink the affected account and re-add it, or use the OneDrive reset command. Also inspect Windows Credential Manager for stale tokens. Make sure network drives aren't interfering, remount or exclude them, because
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.